A single ticket to an NFL game costs more than a month of streaming services, and the team keeps almost none of it. Here's the trick: when you buy a $300 ticket, you're not really paying the team. You're paying for a chain of people who touch that ticket before it ever reaches a seat. The venue operator takes a cut. The ticketing platform takes a cut. Secondary market resellers take a cut. The team's cut, usually 40 to 50% of face value, sometimes less. So where does the rest actually go? Start with the venue. Most stadiums are owned by municipalities or private real estate companies, not the teams. The team leases the space. That lease costs millions annually. The venue operator needs to cover maintenance, utilities, security, and staff. They recoup that through facility fees tacked onto every ticket. That $40 to $80 you see labeled convenience fee, that's not a conspiracy. That's the building's operating cost split across thousands of transactions. Then comes the ticketing platform, Ticketmaster, StubHub, others. They charge a per-ticket fee, typically 10 to 15% of the sale price, sometimes higher. They're running a technology platform, processing millions of transactions, handling fraud prevention, and managing customer service. The infrastructure isn't free. And here's the trick: they also profit from secondary market sales, where resellers flip tickets at inflated prices. The platform takes a percentage of those markups too. Now the team's actual cost side. Player salaries consume 45 to 50% of revenue for most professional sports teams. A single star player can earn $30 to $40 million annually. The roster is 40 to 50 people. Then there's coaching staff, medical teams, training facilities, travel, equipment, merchandise production, jerseys, hats, programs, costs real money to manufacture and distribute. Broadcast rights create the final pressure on ticket prices. Teams sell exclusive rights to games, sometimes for hundreds of millions of dollars per year. That money is guaranteed, but it also shifts incentive. Teams now compete for attendance against free televised games, so they raise ticket prices to extract maximum revenue from the people who actually show up. Higher prices mean fewer fans, which means lower attendance-dependent revenue. It's a feedback loop. Merchandise follows the same pattern. A $60 jersey costs roughly $8 to manufacture in bulk. Licensing fees to use player names and logos go to the league, not the team. Retail markups, distribution costs, and storage eat another 40%. The team's net on that jersey, around $15 to $20. The rest is infrastructure, not profit. So that $300 ticket and $60 jersey aren't expensive because the team is greedy. They're expensive because the system extracting value from them is complex, multi-layered, and each layer has genuine costs. The money flows through venues, platforms, manufacturers, and leagues before it reaches the team. And the team's own costs, salaries, operations, facilities, are staggering. The price you pay reflects all of that all at once. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Subscribe to follow the money on the next unsolved price mystery, new breakdowns every week. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research.